Here are the basics of Python programming in 3 minutes. Variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. For example, x equals 10 assigns the value 10 to the variable x. X equals 10. Y equals 20. Z equals x plus y. Print z hash output 30. Data types. Python has several data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, and lists. Hash integer. X equals 10. Hash floating point number. Y equals 3.14. Hash string. Z equals hello. Hash list. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Type it. Return the data type of the int. X equals 10. Print type x, hash output, comment. Y equals 3.14. Print type y, hash output, comment. Z equals hello. Print type z, hash output, comment. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Print type a, hash output, comment. For example, x equals 10 is an integer, y equals 3.14 is a floating point number, and z equals hello is a string. Operators. Python supports various operators, such as plus, slash, and percent. For example, x plus y adds two numbers, x, y subtracts two numbers, and xy multiplies two numbers. Conditional statements. Conditional statements allow you to control the flow of your program based on certain conditions. For example, if x greater than y, print x is greater than y. Loops. Loops allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times. Python has two types of loop types, for loops and while loops. For example, for I in range 5, print I prints the numbers 0 to 4. Hash for loop. For I in range 5, print I. Hash output. Number 0. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Hash while loop. I equals 0. While I less than 5. Print I plus equals 1. Hash output. Number 0. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Functions. Functions allow you to encapsulate a block of code and reuse it multiple times. For example, def add x, y, return x plus y defines a function that adds two numbers. These are the basic building blocks of Python programming. With these concepts, you can write simple programs and start exploring the vast world of Python programming.